sharpening the tool to do the work. Today's menu is dal and rice and curry stewed chicken. So, partner buy the chicken whole. We're gonna chop up the chicken and chop up the chicken. Okay. You don't make joke with the tools at all. And then?
Don't make joke.
Deal with the chicken. Oh, so you're cleaning and whilst you're going along?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you'd have chop up first and then clean.
Not clean, you know. Just to chop up and wash.
Alright. How are you cooking that chicken?
I like to see my chicken home, to see how it's home.
I like to see about the chicken home. Them fellas who cut it good enough for you?
I cut my chicken myself. My liking.
Okay. Well, yeah, you could do that. When I had to buy chicken, I buy it cut up, me about all of that. How are you cooking this?
Cooking my curry stew.
Yeah, that is not a common way. Plenty people can curry stew too. Some of them can learn it. Right. I want to see you chopping up this bird. See how that blade is going to work. Ready to chop him up. What kind of meat block is that?
Chonkaying.
Chonkaying. That's the best meat block?
That's in the West.
Okay. So when you're gonna buy a meat block, you have to ask if it's Chonkaying.
Okay, so.
Oh. This Chonkaying doesn't chip up on thing.
Don't chip.
Okay. Come for seasoning here. Fresh thing. Bandanya. Shadow Benny. It's my favorite herb in Trinidad. Shadow Benny. It's just for the chicken. We might make a chow. I mean, it's not much, it's just for a little home use. A little patch of thing. Shadow Benny. We have a little pimento growing. Check it out. Pretty. Then we have a little bygone tree. Well, a big one. Have the bygone on it. Yeah, see? So, flower there still onto this fruit. These flowers. A bygone on this tree, boy. Nice. Looking the pimento. I bring a bowl, you know, you can put it. Right, and here we have fine thyme. seat. Fine time. Pudina. You wanna pudina? Alright. And carapule. This is carapule or curry leaf as people call it. You want that? Yeah, pick one branch. Oh, pick one branch for me for the dal. I would need dal. I'm gonna cook dal, so I would need a little carapule to chunk it up. So we have all the seasonings here. So I'm gonna prepare these things to blend up. Seasoning I'm gonna blend for the chicken would just be the cherubini, garlic, pepper, and fine thyme. The carapule, I would use like a few pieces of it for the dal. Yep. So stay tuned. We have celery in a pot and chive in a pot. So all seasoning home here. Seasoning the chicken. Nice green seasoning. That's just cherubini and garlic there.
What's that for?
I'll leave a little bit for chow. Right, you can mix with your hand because no pepper blending that. You will cut up the pepper afterwards. Right. So we're gonna boil the dal. That's the dal there, and this is the ingredients that go into the pot. And also have to throw roast jeera and salt and saffron. Right, so the dal go on there. I don't put the sugar. I just put in a little bit of I just put a little bit of baking powder, right? And you just lower the heat because you know you don't want to flow over. A little bit of saffron. Well, saffron just depends on how much you want it, but that is good enough for me there. And one time I put a little roast jeera. The powder one. Well, you know we believe in chief. And now I'm throwing in the stuff. So that's the onion, pimento, pepper, and garlic. No matter the things big, it will boil, get soft, and even when I blend it up, it will all come in a while. So that's it there. The real trick to my dal is the chunky afterwards, which you will see down in the end. Right, so leave that to boil, you lower your heat so that it can boil good, it won't flow over, right? So that's it. We could go and deal with the rice boiling in the back, and that's the dal. So now we could deal with the chicken. So there's the chicken ready for curry stew. That's a bit of curry powder, sugar, oil, coconut oil he used it. Sugar raisin. That's where the curry going. Just now. Sugar. Rice boiling, dal boiling. I'll leave the spoon in there so that it overflow. Ah, yes, that's looking good.
I'll try it out for me.
Little water on the sugar, then your curry, then the puran. Wow, you put water on real sugar. Smelling good.
Real nice.
Over nice. Real nice. Over nice. Alright, so we will monitor this. Chunky making my coffee. Right. Color come in. Looking good there. The color will come in now that the kettle water hot in. Right. Let it fry down there and then you'll add the water. What else have to go in there? Oh, then cut up some more pimento, okay. Shallows. Just a little slight water. So it's a boil there. Pimento going in. Oh yeah, that's the pimento we picked from the tree. The fine thyme going in now too. Okay, so it's the fine thyme and the pimento you cut up. Color would come in, have no fear.
Slow heat.
Slow heat, okay. Low heat. Right, it come down nice. See the color coming? And the other test piece. The water hot. Looking good.
Real nice.
Very nice. The other taste piece. Right, so we add the hot water. No more water? Or? Oh, green seasoning. A little bit. Yeah, rinse out the blender. Okay. Okay, good. Alright, so the dal is almost finished. I used the hand blender to blend up the dal so it's very smooth and nice. So the next step is the chunky, right? So this is the dal. See how smooth it comes? All the pimento, garlic, everything blended and smooth. It's in slight bit of the roasted jeera. Yeah. So that's the dal. And I'm going to get ready to chunky the dal. Right, so I'm going to chunky the dal. Let's use this small pot here. Because you see the calcium, everything can't hold in the calcium and after chunky. So I'll throw the oil into the small pot. Let it hot. And I'll throw the other stuff. This is the stuff. This is the stuff to chunky the dal. This is whole jeera or cumin seeds, whole one. That's like 2 garlic grated up, 2 cloves, and this is some of the carapula leaf. So see, this was the whole branch, but I'm only using a few. The oil hottened, and the first thing you're throwing in is the carapula leaf. Make sure it's not wet because it's going to be, you know, pitching and it could get burnt, right? So when you wash the leaf, make sure you dry it. So throwing the carapula leaf first, to get some color. When that gets dark, then I'll throw the jeera. Alright, so you see it kind of get brownish. I'll throw in the jeera now. Jeera gives it a nice smell. Everything comes in together. Got the jeera roasted there. Now, so the jeera already gets roasted, and the carapulli leaf, if you can see it get dark. So last thing is the garlic, because the garlic get brown really fast. Alright, so once I get a little color there, then we're gonna throw it in the dal. So this is my dal pot here. So that's good. It's coming off, and we're gonna chunk it and fry it. Right? And that is the dal. Smelling real good. See? Nice. Now we can drink a cup of dal. Right, so it's almost finished.
Just a little bit of water into it long. And then you get the plenty water into it good. Just fry down a little thing, the oil.
Okay, so not too much long water.
Yeah, not too much long water.
Okay. Going down dry then.
Thick gravy on your own.
Thick gravy. Alright, cool then. I'm gonna eat that with my hand. Nice. So there, dal and rice and the curry stew chicken. Looking lovely. Gonna taste it now. It's gonna be yummy.